Day 113, 1 Chronicles 1, 1 Chronicles 2, Chronological Bible reading with original Hebrew vocabulary. From Adam to David, the chronicler rebuilds the memory of his people. 1 Chronicles 1. Written after the Babylonian exile, the book opens with a universal genealogy that begins with Adam and runs through Seth, Enoch, Noah, and his sons. The author traces the descendants of Japheth, Ham, and Shem, records the Philistines and the Canaanites, reaches Abraham, lists the sons of Ishmael and Keturah, and gives space to the descendants of Esau and the kings of Edom, peoples who reigned before Israel had a king. 1 Chronicles 2. The genealogy narrows onto Israel, the 12 sons of Jacob, with immediate focus on Judah. The chapter cites Tamar and her twins Perez and Zerah, Achar the troubler of Israel, Nahshon prince of Judah, Boaz, Obed, Jesse, and finally David, the 7th son. The line continues through Caleb, Hezron, Bezalel, the craftsman of the tabernacle, and ends with the families of scribes at Jabez. Today you will learn words like Peleg, division, the man in whose days the earth was divided, Achar, troubler, the title given to Achar, and Bezalel, in the shadow of God, the name of the craftsman chosen to build the tabernacle. Tomorrow, we continue the chronological plan with day 114. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss a single day of this daily Bible reading, and comment what stood out to you today or a message to strengthen the faith of those who follow this journey with us. Chronicles chapter 1. Adam, Seth, Enosh, Kenan, Mahalalel, Jared, Enoch, Methuselah, Lamech, Noah, Shem, Ham, and Japheth. The sons of Japheth, Gomer, Magog, Madai, Javan, Tubal, Meshech, and Tiras. The sons of Gomer, Ashkenaz, Japheth, and Togarmah. The sons of Javan, Elisha, Tarshish, Kittim, and Rodanim. The sons of Ham, Cush, Mizraim, Put, and Canaan. The sons of Cush, Seba, Havilah, Sabta, Rama, Sabteka. The sons of Rama, Sheba, and Dedan. Cush became the father of Nimrod. He began to be a mighty one in the earth. Mizraim became the father of Ludim, Anamim, Lehabim, Naphtuhim, Pathrusim, Kazluhim, where the Philistines came from, and Caphtorim. Canaan became the father of Sidon, his firstborn, Heth, the Jebusite, the Amorite, the Girgashite, the Hivite, the Arkite, the Sinite, the Arvadite, the Zemarite, and the Hamathite. The sons of Shem, Elam, Ashur, Arpachshad, Lud, Aram, Uz, Hul, Gether, and Meshech. Arpachshad became the father of Shelah, and Shelah became the father of Eber. To Eber were born 2 sons. The name of the one was Peleg, for in his days the earth was divided, and his brother's name was Joktan. Joktan became the father of Almodad, Sheleph, Hazarmaveth, Jerah, Hadaram, Uzal, Dikla, Ebal, Abimael, Sheba, Ophir, Havilah, and Jobab. All these were the sons of Joktan: Shem, Arpachshad, Shelah, Eber, Peleg, Ru, Serug, Nahor, Terah, Abram, also called Abraham. The sons of Abraham, Isaac and Ishmael. These are their generations: the firstborn of Ishmael, Nebaioth, then Kedar, Adbeel, Mibsam, Mishma, Duma, Massa, Hadad, Tema, Jetur, Naphish, and Kedemah. These are the sons of Ishmael. The sons of Keturah, Abraham's concubine. She bore Zimran, Jokshan, Medan, Midian, Ishbak, and Shua. The sons of Jokshan, Sheba, and Dedan. The sons of Midian, Ephah, Epher, Hanok, Abidah, and Eldah. All these were the sons of Keturah. Abraham became the father of Isaac. The sons of Isaac, Esau and Israel. The sons of Esau, Eliphaz, Reuel, Jush, Jalam, and Korah. The sons of Eliphaz, Teman, Omar, Zephi, Gatam, Kenaz, Timnah, and Amalek. The sons of Roel, Nahath, Zerah, Shammah, and Mizah. The sons of Seir, Lotan, Shobal, Zibeon, Anna, Dishon, Ezer, and Dishan. The sons of Lotan, Hori, and Homam, and Timnah was Lotan's sister. The sons of Shobal, Alian, Manahath, Ebal, Shephi, and Onam. The sons of Zibeon, Aya, and Anna. The son of Anna, Dishon. The sons of Dishon, Hamran, Eshban, Ithran, and Cheran. The sons of Ezer, Bilhan, Zavan, and Jarkan. The sons of Dishan, Uz, and Aran. Now these are the kings who reigned in the land of Edom, before any king reigned over the children of Israel. Bela the son of Beor, and the name of his city was Dinhabah. Bela died, and Jobab the son of Zerah of Bozrah reigned in his place. Jobab died, and Husham of the land of the Temanites reigned in his place. Husham died, and Hadad the son of Bedad, who struck Midian in the field of Moab, reigned in his place, and the name of his city was Avith. Hadad died, and Samlah of Masrekah reigned in his place. Samlah died, and Shaul of Rehoboth by the river reigned in his place. Shaul died, and Baal-Hanan, the son of Achbor, reigned in his place. Baal-Hanan died, and Hadad reigned in his place, and the name of his city was Pai. His wife's name was Mehetabel, the daughter of Matred, the daughter of Mezahab. Then Hadad died. The chiefs of Edom were Chief Timnah, Chief Aliah, Chief Japheth, Chief Oholibamah, Chief Elah, Chief Pinon, Chief Kenaz, Chief Taman, Chief Mibzar, Chief Magdiel, and Chief Iram. These are the chiefs of Edom. 1 Chronicles chapter 2. These are the sons of Israel: Reuben, Simeon, Levi, Judah, Issachar, Zebulun, Dan, Joseph, Benjamin, Naphtali, Gad, and Asher. The sons of Judah: Onan, and Shelah, which three were born to him of Shua's daughter, the Canaanitess. Judah's firstborn, was wicked in Yahweh's sight, and he killed him. Tamar, his daughter-in-law, bore him Perez and Zerah. All the sons of Judah were 5. The sons of Perez, Hezron and Hamul. The sons of Zerah, Zimri, Ethan, Heman, Calcol, and Dara, 5 of them in all. The son of Carmi, Achar, the troubler of Israel, who committed a trespass in the devoted thing. The son of Ethan, Azariah. The sons also of Hezron, who were born to him, Jerahmeel, Ram, and Chelubai. Ram became the father of Amminadab, and Amminadab became the father of Nahshon, prince of the children of Judah, and Nahshon became the father of Salma, and Salma became the father of Boaz. And Boaz became the father of Obed, and Obed became the father of Jesse. And Jesse became the father of his firstborn Eliab, Abinadab the second, Shemiah the third, Nethanel the fourth, Radai the fifth, Arzam the sixth, and David the seventh. And their sisters were Zeruiah and Abigail. The sons of Zeruiah: Abishai, Joab, and Asahel, 3. Abigail bore Amasa, and the father of Amasa was Jether, the Ishmaelite. Caleb the son of Hezron became the father of children by Azubah his wife, and by Jerioth, and these were her sons, Jesher, Shobab, and Ardan. Azubah died, and Caleb married Ephrath, who bore him Hur. Hur became the father of Uri, and Uri became the father of Bezalel. Afterward, Hezron went in to the daughter of Machir, the father of Gilead, whom he took as wife when he was 60 years old, and she bore him Segub. Segub became the father of Jair, who had 23 cities in the land of Gilead. Gesher and Aram took the towns of Jair from them, with Kenath and its villages, even 60 cities. All these were the sons of Machir, the father of Gilead. After Hezron died in Caleb Ephrathah, Abijah, Hezron's wife, bore him Asher, the father of Tekoa. The sons of Jerahmeel, the firstborn of Hezron, were Ram the firstborn, Bunah, Oren, Ozem, and Ahijah. Jerahmeel had another wife, whose name was Atara. She was the mother of Onam. The sons of Ram, the firstborn of Jerahmeel, were Maaz, Jamin, and Achar. The sons of Onam were Shammai and Jada. The sons of Shammai, Nadab and Abishur. The name of the wife of Abishur was Abihail, and she bore him Ahban and Molid. The sons of Nadab, Seled and Appaim, but Seled died without children. The son of Appaim, Ishi. The son of Ishi, Sheshan. The son of Sheshan, Alai. The sons of Jada, the brother of Shammai, Jether and Jonathan, and Jether died without children. The sons of Jonathan, Peleth and Zaza. These were the sons of Jerahmeel. Now Sheshan had no sons, but only daughters. Sheshan had a servant, an Egyptian, whose name was Jarha. Sheshan gave his daughter to Jarha, his servant, as wife, and she bore him Attai. Attai became the father of Nathan, and Nathan became the father of Zabad, and Zabad became the father of Ephlal, and Ephlal became the father of Obed, and Obed became the father of Jehu, and Jehu became the father of Azariah, and Azariah became the father of Helez, and Helez became the father of Eleasah, and Eleasah became the father of Sismai, and Sismai became the father of Shallum, and Shallum became the father of Jechemiah, and Jechemiah became the father of Elishama. The sons of Caleb, the brother of Jerahmeel, were Mesha, his firstborn, who was the father of Ziph, and the sons of Maresha, the father of Hebron. The sons of Hebron, Korah, Tappuah, Rechem, and Shema. Shema became the father of Raham, the father of Jorkiam, and Rechem became the father of Shammai. The son of Shammai was Maon, and Maon was the father of Beth-zur. Ephah, Caleb's concubine, bore Haran, Moza, and Gazez, and Haran became the father of Gazez. The sons of Jadai, Regem, Jothan, Geshan, Pelet, Ephah, and Shaph. Makkah, Caleb's concubine, bore Sheber and Tirhana. She bore also Shaph, the father of Madmana, Sheva, the father of Machbena, and the father of Gibeah, and the daughter of Caleb was Achsah. These were the sons of Caleb, the son of Hur, the firstborn of Ephrathah, Shobal, the father of Kiriath Jearim, Salma, the father of Bethlehem, and Hariph, the father of Beth-gader. Shobal, the father of Kiriath Jearim, had sons, Haroah, half of the Menuhoth. The families of Kiriath Jearim, the Ithrites, the Puthites, the Shumathites, and the Mishrites. From them came the Zorathites and the Eshtaolites. The sons of Salma, Bethlehem, the Netophathites, Atroth, Beth-joab, and half of the Manahathites, the Zorites. The families of scribes who lived at Jabez, the Tirathites, the Shemeathites, and the Sukathites. These are the Kenites who came from Hamath, the father of the house of Rechab. We close here day 113 of our journey through the Word. In 1 Chronicles 1 and 2, we walk the line that runs from Adam to the sons of Israel, with the descendants of Shem, Ham, and Japheth, the kings of Edom, and the genealogy of Judah that prepares the house of David. The chronicler weaves the generations together as one rebuilding the memory of his people, showing that every name has its place in the plan that will culminate in the Messiah. Day 113 complete.